How's it going, everybody? This is Jeremy Pearson here with Van Dam Custom Boats. I'm in charge of the sales and marketing efforts here. We are located in beautiful Boyne City, Michigan. It's Friday, the sun is out. Feels like spring is a realistic possibility, and we're excited for the change of seasons. Dreamboat is in a completely different top. The superstructure is on top of the hull. The guys are inside priming the interior. They're putting down epoxy on the cockpit floor. We've got brackets for the swim platform. We've got windows. Chuck picked up one of the windows from DTS right down the street that's going to go inside a Dreamboat. There's a ton of work that's going on. A ton of work has been done on Dreamboat. We're really excited about it. Also, we've got a boat here from Idaho that we built in 2003. A boat called Swede It Is. And we're lucky enough to have the owner ship the boat to us, where we are refinishing the woodwork. We're redoing the interior cushions. We're adding a swim platform, a freedom lift. We're doing a bunch of really great work to this boat, and just making it the owner's making it his own, upgrading everything on it. So we're very lucky to have that opportunity, and we're very lucky to have an owner that's willing to ship the boat back to us and let us do this work. So we've also got some really great things going on in the metal shop, and we'll head that way right now. Here we are in our metal shop. We've got a example of what the chocks for Dreamboat are going to look like. These are going to be embedded and flush with the tow rail. Our designer Heather Whitcott came up with this along with the design team and the boat owner. And here you can see these are the corner chocks, port and starboard, that are going to be on the transom. And we currently have one that is in the process of getting cut out. These started as just solid pieces of billet, and Jess and the guys programmed the machine, and it's carving it out. We also have the port lights for Dreamboat that are here, as well as some HVAC, some ducts here. All of this is made in our metal shop here, and we're always looking for opportunities to get creative and to help other people locally, throughout the country, wherever. If you've got a need for metal shop, or you want to talk with us about some creative ideas, we'd love to talk to you. We'd love to help kind of bring those ideas you have to fruition and help you out as best we can. So that's what we've got going on, a quick look at what we're doing. Thank you very much for checking it out, and we'll catch you on the next one.